Welcome to Dr. Deborah Shelley's Human Anatomy tutorial. I'm your host Rachel, and in this video we're going to be going over the gross anatomy of the skull. So first we have the sutures. The one on the top right here is the coronal suture. Then you have the sagittal suture running along the two parietal bones. Then on the side, on both sides, you have the squamosal suture running this way. And then in the back, you have the lambdoid suture. This guy right here. It is actually shaped like the Greek letter lambda. On the inside, right here, this is the anterior cranial fossa. It's the middle cranial fossa. And then back here is the posterior cranial fossa. And then the bones that make up the cranial vault, we have the frontal bone. We have two temporal bones on either side. We have the occipital bone on the back. You have two parietal bones. And then you have the ethmoid and the sphenoid. These two bones will actually have their own videos because they are extremely complicated. But on here, we have the ethmoid. You can see through this way and also through the nose. And then the sphenoid, you can see back, all the way back here. It's where, kind of in the back of your eye sockets. And then you have sinuses. So these are cavities inside your head. It actually makes your head lighter because our head is already around 8 pounds. So if this was a complete bone skull, our heads would be really, really heavy. So the frontal sinus is somewhere around here. Then the maxillary sinus is inside here. So when you have a sinus migraine and it really, really hurts in here, that's what's happening. And then you have the sphenoid sinus, which is very, very deep back this way. And then the ethmoid sinus is right in front of it, around here. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of the gross anatomy of the skull.